Hey guys, wanna know how to start learning web development on Geeks4Geeks? Well, no worries. In this video, I'm going to show you how to start learning web development from scratch on Geeks4Geeks. It's super simple, so let's get straight to it. Now, just simply head towards geeksforgeeks.org or open up the Geeks4Geeks application. And now once you have done that, here you can see various feeds and homes right here. And once you've done that, right here, you can see this Explorer icon. Just simply press on it. And now type in the web development roadmap. And now once you've done that, you can just simply select any articles that you want. So I'll just select web development. Now this will teach you web development from scratch in a thorough way. So right here you can see various images and text showing you how web development works and how it is done. So right here you can also see recommended for you. So you can also simply select it for other web development processes as well. Now that's it. Super simple and easy. You can also explore more by just simply searching for it, going for front end, back end, building projects and more. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.